Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox error 267. You were kicked from this game. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to exit completely your default browser here. Just minimize it or whatsoever and just press here and then go and exit. And then you need to set up your default browser, that one that you're playing Roblox. So on search, you just need to go to default apps, and then here it will be a web browser, and then set up to whatever you're using. I'm using Google Chrome, so I set up as a default browser. And if the problem persists, then go to your browser here and go to extensions and press manage extensions, and maybe using some sort of ad blocker or something like that. So I highly suggest you to remove or disable ad blocker or other extensions temporarily and look if it is causing the problem. So what I'll do if I had this problem, just I turn off all the extensions for a bit. Then if the problem persists, go to Task Manager and disable all the scripts, maybe huge mods or something you're using on your computer. So if you know that it may cause the problems here, just end the task here and proceed to another solution. So if you disable all the mods, maybe cheat engines or the scripts that you know that maybe contradict with a Roblox, then you need to basically go on search and then go to firewall and network protection, go to allow an app through firewall and look for Roblox here, and look press change settings and make sure that private and public is toggled on. And if you don't find the Roblox here, press allow to another app, press browse, then go to your computer, your disk, and then users, your PC. My PC is named PC, but probably yours is different. And then scroll down until you see app data, and then go to roaming, and then you need to go to Microsoft, and then you need to go to Windows, and then start menu, programs, and Roblox, and add this player here, right? And that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe more. Take care. Bye.